Students, our today's topic is integration by substitution. In this method, the given variable is converted into independent variable by proper substitution, and so we obtain standard form of integrand. If we integrate fx into f dash x dx, here we assume fx as a function which is equal to t, and its derivative f dash x into dx is replaced by dt. So we get integration of fx into f dash x dx is equal to integration of t dt. If we integrate it, we get t square by 2 plus c. When we replace value of t, which is fx, we get fx raised to power 2 upon 2 plus c. There are two forms of substitution. First form is integration of fx into f dash x dx. Its result is fx raised to power 2 upon 2 plus c. And the second form is integration of f dash x upon fx dx. Its result is log fx plus c. In this second form, we can also write it integration of fx upon f dash x dx. Its result becomes fx raised to power 2 upon 2 plus c. Here fx is equal to log x and f dash x is equal to 1 upon x. There are some important formulas for substitution method. Formula first is integration of fx raised to power n into f dash x dx results fx raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 c plus c. Formula second is integration of f of ax plus b dx. It results fx ax plus b upon a plus c. Here we assume ax plus b as t. Formula 3, integration of 1 upon ax plus b into dx. It results 1 upon a log of ax plus b plus c. Formula 4, integration of e raised to power ax plus b dx. It results e raised to power ax plus b upon a plus c. Formula 5, integration of sine of ax plus b into dx. It results minus cos of ax plus b upon a plus c. Formula 6, integration of cos of ax plus b into dx. It results sine of ax plus b upon a plus c. Formula 7, integration of sec square of ax plus b into dx. It results tan of ax plus b upon a plus c. Formula 8, integration of cosec square x of ax plus b into dx. It results minus cot of ax plus b upon a plus c. Note, if there are two multiples of functions, we always assume a function fx as substitute t which has its derivative as a multiple. If it is not given in this form, first of all we convert given questions in this form. Now we take some examples. Example first, integration of cos of log x upon x dx. Here we assume log x is equal to t. Its derivative is 1 upon x. So we can replace all these values. Then we get I is equals to integration of cos t dt. Its integration is sin t. So we get I is equals to sin t plus c. Now we replace value of t, which is log x. So final answer is sin of log x plus c. Example second, integration of e raised to power m tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square dx. Let m tan inverse x is equal to t. M is constant. Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. When we replace these values, we get I is equals to 1 upon m integration of e raised to power t dt. Here 1 upon m is constant. Integration of e raised to power t is e raised to power t. Now we replace value of t, which is m tan inverse x. Then we get final answer 1 upon m e raised to power m tan inverse x plus c. Example third. Integration of 1 upon x into 1 plus log x dx. We assume 1 plus log x is equal to t. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. So after replacing these values, we get I is equals to integration of 1 upon t dt. Its integration is log e base t. When we replace it, we get I is equals to log e base of 1 plus log x plus c, because value of t is 1 plus log x. Example 4. I is equals to integration of 1 upon sin x into cos cube x dx. In this case, first of all, we add powers of both functions, sin x and cos x. Sum of their powers is 4. So we always divide power of cos equivalent to this sum. Now in this question, we divide given function by cos raised to power 4x. It will convert it into the term of tan x and sec square x. So our final question is integration of 1 plus tan square x upon tan x into sec square x dx. Now we assume tan x is equal to t. Its derivative is sec square x. When we replace these values, we get integration of 1 plus t square upon t dt. First of all, we simplify it. Then we get integration of 1 upon t dt plus integration of t dt. When we integrate them, we get I is equals to log t plus t square by 2 plus c. Now we replace value of t, which is tan x. So our final answer is log tan x plus tan square x by 2 plus c. Dear students, there are some questions for your practice. Do it yourself. Thank you.